advanced therapeutic and the diagnostic approaches to the large animal disorders. So, I want to talk on the topic entitled Update on Certain Toxicities as Cause of Plethora of Obscure Diseases. As you very well know that some of the diseases in Karnataka state and India, the exact etiology is not known, and it includes the plant toxicities, the mycotoxicities, and some of the newly emerging and re-emerging bacteria and parasites also. And sometimes even if it's a established disease, it becomes very difficult for us to diagnose that particular condition and the animal die due to that particular problem is concerned. Hence, to find the etiology of all these diseases, the government of Karnataka has established the Obscure Disease Research Center veterinary in the Veterinary College campus Shivamogga, and we are doing some of the research works since the last 10 to 20 years, especially the plant toxicities occurring in the Western Ghat area, and also the mycotoxicosis and diagnosis of the other diseases, already existing diseases like the Clostridium hemolyticum. Actually, it causes the hemorrhagic bowel syndrome. So, such diseases are being found by using the help of different departments. That's how the things are going on. And this year we want to propose a center for National Veterinary Toxicological Research Institute, Government of India, and we have partially got the assurance that it will be under the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Our Honorable MP Shri B.Y. Raghavendra sir, had already approached the Minister of Central for getting the grants, and hope this will be a center, especially in the Karnataka state of its soap because as such you know that the government of Karnataka does not have any funds to give us. In this year also we are maintaining with our own university generated funds, and if we do this as the center, national center, then only we may get some of the post sanctioned and lot of grants may come. So, with these hopes and your support is very much required, and whenever there is a discussion etc., then our state government has to propose this to the central government, and lot of things are there and we are following it. So, hoping that in future after 4 or 5 years we may get the National Center for Veterinary Toxicological Research. Okay. With this, the very common toxicities of livestock can be divided in only three conditions here. We will only focus on the interest on the field is concerned. That number one, the pesticide toxicity, the second one is the plant toxicities, then third one is the mycotoxicosis. Mycotoxicosis is a very common problem in northern part of Karnataka and entire Karnataka, on which the veterinarians are not focusing to the extent which is expected. So, the plant toxicities nowadays are very well established. There is we have doing the research since last 20 years and found most of the plants which are toxic to the cattle in Karnataka state is concerned, and we are getting the calls from the other states also, the Western Ghat districts like Kerala, then the Gujarat etc., where the similar conditions are there, since our publications etc. are being circulated in the scientific forum. Okay. Coming to the first one, that's very shortly I can say that the classes of the pesticides, see, whenever the toxicity condition arises due to pesticides, we will consider them as the same. That should not be the thing, and they are classified as the insecticides, the herbicides, fungicides and rodenticides. Pesticide is a very big class, because a rodent is also a pest. So, all insecticides are pesticides, but all pesticides are not insecticides. That is one thing. So many classifications are there. Whenever see a bottle etc., then you should find to which category it belongs, or else it will end up in administration